up, guys? Good morning. It's about 6:30 in the morning and I'm already filming. So right in front of me I have the Zerosports cooler intake Radiator Shroud. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna actually prep it with these foam that we need to put on the piece. So it'll sit here, and this side it's this foam, so it'll block the air and make the shroud sit perfectly. Well, not perfectly, but sit on the radiator. And I have this sponge where I have to cut it in pieces because it will need to sit behind here to, I guess, avoid rattling. So let's do that. So first things first, I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna try my best to cut it to where there's 8 pieces, which is recommended. Hopefully I don't mess up, but I do have extra foam lying around, so let's try it. Alright, so I cut it in 4s, but it will break into 2s. And I actually didn't cut it straight, but that's fine. What I want to do now is to put it here along the edges, and I'll show you that later. So that's the first sponge. So that's how I got it. Man, I tell you, when OCD kicks in, geez, it takes you over. But that's the first one. Let's do the bigger one. Sorry, I don't mind my voice. It's early in the morning. Haven't had my coffee yet. Alright, so I got this foam, which I have to put on the sides. Like those. This one I'm gonna have to eyeball it, so I'm gonna try my best. That's that side. It's a little bit too long, but I'll trim it. Ain't no thing. Alright, this final part, I've seen a video online on YouTube, and they said it was an optional kind of deal, but I am gonna do it anyway because that's what the instructions say. Follow instructions first, ask questions later. Yeah, you know the deal. Maybe it's there to like add rigidity, so if you press down on it, it won't go down. But yeah. Alright, so there you have it. I went ahead and prepped it with the spongy or the foam. So let's take it downstairs and install it on the car. Oh hey, what's up guys? So we're at the engine bay of my car, and we're gonna install this Zerosports cool air intake. So let me show you what you have to take out and what you don't have to, but it's optional. Alright, before you install the shroud, you have to go ahead and make some of these bolts loose and pop these clips out so you can actually slip this into the grooves here. Oh, another thing, you have to make these loose, these bolts right here, so these tabs can slip in right here, and taking this coolant reservoir overflow reservoir, it's optional, but I'm gonna take it out just to make things easier. You don't have to, but I'll do it. Word of advice, when you go ahead and tighten these bolts, don't over tighten it because it'll bend the metal, and sometimes it'll go right through, and you'll find out why you're still turning to make it tight. It's because it went all the way down. But yeah, I kind of bent this one a bit, can't really see it, but no, maybe not too bad. But yeah, this one kept turning and I was wondering why, and I looked, and the washer ended up inside because it went right through. But yeah, just tighten it until it's snug. Don't over tighten it, otherwise you'll have a bad day. Alright guys, so I have everything back installed. So this is how it should look like with the rubber coming up. There was another way to do it where it goes under this plastic piece, so it'll look nice and I guess clean, but I avoided it. I didn't go that route because this will bend the metal on here if it sits on it, and I didn't want that to happen, so I went this route instead. I'm fine with it. It looks okay. And also don't forget to tighten these bolts afterwards. It sits, you can't really see it, but the knot should go right here in the back. Right here, can't really see it, but it was right here. So it doesn't go in here, it goes in the back of it. So you just push it down and you tighten it, and everything should be set. So there it is. All right folks, after you install the radiator shroud, go ahead and remove this. There's several clips behind it holding this up. Some people left theirs on. I'm not sure if it's optional or not, but the instructions say that you should take it off. For what reason, I don't know, but I'm gonna take mine's off just because the instruction says so. So yeah, clips back here. Let's go ahead and take it off. Just be delicate because the clips are fragile. And there you have it. Alright, so there was another product from Zerosports that I was gonna get, but I've been hearing things about it being fragile and whatnot, but it was the cooler too that actually sits on the intercooler. It's a metal piece, so it's supposed to divert air into the intercooler from the hood scoop. I want to give it a go still, but we'll see. Someone actually put a Cusco intercooler net and that Zerosports cooler 2 on it, and I'm still wondering how he did it, but I'm pretty sure there was a little fabrication going on, but it looked cool. Still debating if I should get that or not, but we'll see. Another debate that I'm having is finding a alternator belt cover. There's so much brands that I want to get, but I still don't know what to choose, either from a Beat Rush Cusco one. There was one that I'm waiting for, but it's out of stock right now, and you heard me mention this in the last video, but let's just say it's titanium. I'm still waiting for it. There's two brands that I'm looking at, so I don't know which one I'm gonna get. Let me know if you want me to run the Zerosports cooler 2 for the intercooler. Should I or should I not? Comment down below, let me know. and I'll reply back to you as soon as possible. But honestly though, you know, since I already got the Zerosports cooler intake radiator shroud, shouldn't I go with the Zerosports alternator belt cover? I don't know, man. Still debating. I got so many options. So go ahead, comment down below and let me know what I should get. Alright guys, that's it. That was a quick and easy install for the Zerosports Cool Air Intake Radiator Shroud. Hope you liked this video. If you do, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, share. Go ahead and subscribe so you can watch more videos upcoming. I have more things to do to this car, so stay tuned. I will see you later. Peace and aloha.